Oh, two. That is more than one.
Yeah. Boys are fishing in the morning. Got some dolphins coming by right to the anchorage. Okay, so the PAZ has a pretty interesting channel where you catch the wind against the current. It's real choppy. Right now it's not bad because the wind is going with the current, but the current is super strong sometimes. Walking back from church, streets of the PAZ. It's very chill right now because everyone's at the beach and it's very warm. Lots of empty lots full of garbage, but super nice people everywhere and very chill. Hi. Alright, Silas and William each caught a fish and they gutted it all by themselves.
Cut off the head.
Yeah, got them ready for the pan, so we're finishing them up before we're gonna eat some supper. This is our Easter dinner, Easter Sunday today. Oops. So here I am walking the streets of La Paz. Blew the keel tube on my dinghy yesterday, so now I'm found an inflatable repair place, which is fortunately a 20-minute walk from the Marina La Paz. Going to go there, and it's probably cheaper to have them glue it than to buy the glue. I tried to buy some Hypalon glue in Banderas Bay. It was like $70 for the proper 2-bar glue that will actually work on a seam. So the seam is just blown out. But anyways, we're gonna yeah, they don't speak any English, but I'm pretty sure we can get the message across once I show them the part. I got it deflated and rolled up in the old backpack here, so it's actually not excruciatingly hot right now. I'm trying to get there before the sun comes out. Dropped off the thwart at the inflatable repair place. It'll take them a few hours because they gotta clamp and let it dry, so went the exciting route of getting a haircut somewhere where I don't speak the language and they didn't understand any English, but whatever, it was cheap and feeling a lot cooler. So we'll go back to the Club Cruceros for a bit and get some work done on the computer while wait for the cat to get done. going kiteboarding.
Wakeboarding.
Well, it's a kiteboard. But it's a dinghy shaped kite. Oh!
Yeah. Oh man. Roll up, Silas. No, he's riding the wave.
There goes Silas. Crash and burn.
Silas, who do you have beside you? Hi, Jib. Hey, puppy. Let's see, this dog is obsessed with his owner. Here he comes. Ben and Mr. Scott, who is drinking a beer while wakeboarding. Oh man. These crazy guys.
Oh, I missed the seat. Here comes Silas. Now he's getting the hang of her. Yeah. What is this, girls?
It's a warning for intruders.
Just give you a little bit, William.
Who will they be slept by? Me.